Welcome children, this is your social class part 4. So we are already discussed the previous class, our fourth lesson, our beautiful country, lots of which are their landforms, okay, hills, mountains, plateaus, plains, desert and island. So these areas we are going to discuss. Think and answer, question answer, words to know, fill in the blanks and all. Okay, so first one you can see in your textbook. First you can see get started. So write the capital of the following states and union territories. You want to find out and write these states capitals. So you have in your textbook given Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Lakshadweep, Karnataka and Chhattisgarh. So first one Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, the capital is which one children? That is Shimla. And Bihar, that is Patna. And Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory. One of the union territory Chandigarh. Chandigarh, the capital name is also Chandigarh. Okay. And the fourth one Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep also union territory. Okay. Fifth one Karnataka. The capital is Bangalore. And Chandigarh is the capital of Raipur. Okay. So these are the 6 states and their capitals. Okay. And we can see page number 170, words to know. That is landform and forte. What do you mean by landform? That is natural features such as hills, mountains, plains and desert. That is landform. That means natural features. പ്രകൃതിയിലുള്ള natural features ആണ് ഇതെല്ലാം. So this is we call landforms. And what is fertile? The land on which plants grow well. That is fertile soil. ഫലപുഷ്ടിയുള്ള ഫലപുഷ്ടിയുള്ള മണ്ണിലാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? The plants are growing well. പ്ലാന്റ്സുകൾ വളരുന്നത് നന്നായി വളരുന്നത്. So that is fertile. And you can see read and answer, put the tick mark. So the first question, which is the highest peak in the world? Tell me children, which is the highest peak in the world? That is Mount Everest. Second one is, where do the two coastal plains meet? എവിടെയാണ് two coastal plains meet ചെയ്യുന്നത്? That is Kanyakumari. Which plateau is also called Deccan Plateau? That is southern. Then in which part of India does the Thar Desert lie? Thar Desert lie. Thar Desert എവിടെ തൊട്ട് എവിടെ വരെയാണ് സ്ട്രെച്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? That is north to western. Then fifth one, in which water body lie to Lakshadweep Island? Lakshadweep Island in which sea? That is in Arabian Sea. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. A hill is a highland with a dash top, with a round top. It's called hill. And the Himalaya lie in dash India. That is North India. Third one, the dash areas are neither very hot nor very cold. ഏത് ഏരിയയിലാണ് hot and cold ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്? Neither very hot nor very cold. That is in plains. Fourth one, part of dash are covered by a desert. So from where to where it's covered with desert? That is north to western part. North to western part is covered with desert. The last one, and dash is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Covered with full of water on all sides, we call island. Okay. The question answers first one. What kind of climate will you find in the mountain and in the plains? Plainsiലും mountainsiലും വരുന്ന climate എന്താണ്? What kinds of climate? So that is mountain full of covered with snow. So the climate is very cold. At the same time, plains, the climate is neither very hot and cold. Okay, neither very hot not very cold. So that is the climate of plains and mountains. Second, what is the difference between a plain and mountain? Plain, mountain thamil difference. Plain is a flat and level land is called plain. At the same time, plateaus are, it's a high land with a steep side and the top is a flat top. So this is called plateaus. That is the difference between plains and plateaus. Third question, why is the southern part of India called peninsula? Why the southern part of India called peninsula? Peninsula, India's southern part ne peninsula ennu vilikkan kaaranam endha? Because the three sides are full of in water. The three sides full of covered with water. That's why we called the southern part we called peninsula. Okay. And the fourth one, why are there very few trees in desert? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഡെസേർട്ടിൽ very few trees, കുറച്ച് മരങ്ങളുള്ളത്? Because there is no rainfall. അവിടെ മഴയുണ്ടോ? No, because there is a few rainfall and sometimes there is no rainfall. That's why the water needed to every plants need to grow. Correct? No. എല്ലാ പ്ലാന്റ്സിനും വളരാൻ എന്താ ആവശ്യമാണ്? The essential, they needed water. So there is no rainfall, the plant didn't get the water, that's why the plants are not growing well. So that's why we can see very few trees in desert. And one of the activity in your textbook, that is write the landform found in these states. In your textbook given 6 states name, that is Himachal Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and Chhattisgarh. So these are the states are given. So you want to search and find out which landforms these states are situated. ഏതെല്ലാം landforms-ലാണ്. So which are the landforms? So that is hills, mountain plateaus, plains, desert, island. So ഈ എല്ലാ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സും in which plateaus are and which landforms are, these all states are situated. So okay children, so everybody read your textbook proper, search and find out these all answers, and this activity do it your notebook, and this all question answers and everything note also I will send you a group. Okay children, thank you.